Alright guys, welcome back to the Goo Science show.
Or whatever we name it.
Or whatever we end up naming the channel. Today, we're going to make something a little different.
Well, more like tonight.
Tonight, yes.
Tonight.
Tonight.
It's only like 6 o'clock too.
Well, everybody's made slime, right? Raise your hand if you made slime. You made slime in class?
Well.
Kind of, sort of?
Kind of, sort of, yeah.
Okay.
I made more like a putty sort of slime with borax. Hey, that's another experiment we could do.
Sure.
A borax slime.
A borax
There's these
slime.
girls in my class. They're like, no, borax can eat your whole hand off. For your information, it cannot. And borax is only deadly if you swallow large amounts.
Yeah, don't eat laundry detergent, kids. It's always a bad idea.
Yeah. Don't be iDubbbz.
Who?
iDubbbz.
Alright.
He squirts like spray paint in his mouth and everything like that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, this stuff is actually completely non-toxic, and you really would not necessarily need safety glasses, but I can't imagine it feel all that good to get in your eye. So we're going to just be on the side of caution.
It's not going to erupt.
Alright, so what we're making now, we're going to make a different kind of slime. Alright? So the slime we're making is called, well, we're not gonna give it away, are we? We're going to make a very special kind of slime. You have to wait to see what it is.
It's not really like slime.
All right. It's I'll show the camera on here what it is. There you go. That's all the hints you get right there. You have to pause it and rewind if you want any more hints.
It's blurry the whole time.
Okay. So we're gonna add some magic to this. I'll move the camera down a little bit here so we can see better. There we go. All right. So go ahead and add some of the food coloring to it.
Just like 3 drops, right?
About 3 to 4 drops. It just depends on how dark you want it. You don't need huge squirts, though.
I'm going to do 4.
Okay. Is that 4 drops?
Yep, that's 4 drops.
All right. Now, you got to shake, 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 shake it, 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 and don't stop. Don't stop. Can't stop.
Get your groove on.
And don't forget to get the groove on. I feel like we need some music.
Right there on the instruction it says music required.
Music required. Absolutely. Well, now we don't want to leave our magic fluid in this flask right here. What is this magic fluid anyway?
I'm not going to spoil it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm just going to show y'all. What does this remind you of? Okay, you guessed it. Yeah.
Let's see. That's only showing me about 200 milliliters. It told me we should use
250?
up to 240 milliliters of it.
Like that, like right there.
So we'll pour it. Oh man, I just gave away the special magic ingredient here. There we go.
Never mind. I was about to say whoever gets the closest in the comments, I would give him a pop socket or something.
There we go. Well, you guessed the special magic ingredient right there.
No, but.
All right, now we're gonna.
They might not even know what Sam's Purified means.
Okay. So now we need to use. We're going to dissolve some of this let's see. I'm reading some instructions here just to make sure I use the right thing. It only needs one of these. All right, just one of those.
Inside of our special ingredient that whoever gets closest in the comment will win something.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and pour what's in the flask there. Okay.
In here?
Yeah.
That looks like those instant snowballs, but it's not that, guys.
Okay, go ahead and pour it in. About 3/4 of the way full is all we need. Okay, that'll be all right though.
I thought you meant the whole beaker.
I thought it did. I thought it was too, but it's all good. We'll grab a magic stirring stick right here.
AKA popsicle stick.
All right, stir it up. Stir it up. Stir it up.
Stir it.
All right. We might pour off just a little bit of that.
Just so we have room for our special.
Yeah, there we go.
For our active ingredient.
Is it kind of sort of dissolving?
Our activator. This is our activator right here, guys.
All right, there we go. That looks about right. All right, we got that all shaken up?
Okay, guys. Don't skip. Don't cheat. If you cheat, I'll come to your house and kick your butt.
Wow, that's pretty tough talk from somebody in a lab coat.
Hey. You kick your butt.
Just because I play the piano, don't mean that I won't take you down. No. That's a song from something I've heard. I don't really know what it is.
21 Pilots.
Shh! What do you want to get? It's a copyright strike?
No, you can say their band name.
Oh, I can say the band name. Okay. What are we going to put on here? Would you do the honors, sir?
Dad, you just showed him what it was.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Okay.
Goo Science Show.
Okay. How much? The whole bottle? Okay.
It says, continue, squirt a small stream of worm goo into one of the cups containing the activator solution.
Solution? What's solution?
It's kind of like solution, but with an extra lution in there.
The more you know every day. I thought you just mispronounced it.
I know. I'm making up. I'm on the leading edge of words here. All right, go ahead and squirt some of it in there.
Like that?
Oh my gosh, what is it making?
What?
What the heck is that?
What?
What is that? Oh my gosh! Pull that out! What the heck? Okay, that is crazy, people.
Okay. First time we've used this. Have y'all guessed what it is by now? Probably. Okay, we're going to reveal it. Whoever was closest.
Alright, so this is part of a kit I ordered right here. It's from Steve Spangler Science. And it is called Instant Worm Goo. Alright, Instant Worm Goo does have a little bit of science behind it, actually. And all we're simply doing is doing what?
Mixing this with that.
That's it. We're mixing two things together.
Well, three actually.
Uh-huh.
Our secret ingredient, aka water. Our activator.
Alright.
And then the goo and the food coloring. So like 4 ingredients.
Alright, so what's happening with the science on it then is really quite simple. Alright. We are reading some things that came with it. All right, we made some long chains is all that's happened.
Long polymer chains.
Some long polymer chains. And what we did is we linked a whole bunch of really small polymer molecules together and made a really long polymer chain.
It's going to be similar to this. This is to come in the future.
Yeah, we'll do another review on gravity goo.
And
so what's happening here is we have sodium alginate is what our liquid solution is right here, okay? And we mix that with the activator solution, which contains calcium. When we do that, we do something that's called cross-linking. So we cross-link these two together, which means we form these long protein chains. And it's really, really simple. All that's happening is when the sodium alginate hits the calcium-rich solution, it starts to form these cross-linking agents. All right, and these cross-linking agents start to form these chains. This occurs because the calcium ions are replacing the sodium ions. All right, and what that does is it helps put the two chains together. Well, that sounded all really interesting, I'm sure.
I'm pretty sure about 90% of the people already left.
So let's give it another little squirt right there.
I already made a pretty big one.
Okay, and we should be able to link these worms, I also call them snakes. We should be able to link these worms together. And we should be able to pull them apart too.
Dad, this one looks like a real tadpole or something.
Oh, this is crazy.
What?
You know what we should do?
What?
We should do a live stream of this.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do it sometime. All right, so we got these really long polymer chains right there. So we used blue on this one. But really, you could use any color. You could also, I want to try a different one. It's got this pearl solution. It's supposed to look really, really cool. It says to add it, shake it well. We'll add 20 to 30 drops or big squirt of the worm to the worm goo, colored or not. Shake the worm goo and notice how the pearl swirl gives it a shiny metal-like appearance. So it says we can mix this and this together to make shiny worms. Should we go for it?
Yeah, you can make some blur with blur, and you get blur.
It said really shake it.
It needs to be shooken. Shooketh!
All right. So you okay?
Orbeez.
You okay with me adding some of this in there?
Yeah. Hold on, I want to make one more.
Okay. Well, here you probably want to. Oh, we're just gonna go with a big chunk of it.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes some really big worms, doesn't it? All right.
That's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, something other. I don't know. Close enough. They just said to give it a good squirt. I put about 30 drops in there. And then check. Alright, we're going to retrieve this worm out of here.
Okay, I'll get it.
You want to get that worm? I'm going to keep shaking.
It's okay if we have a few tiny ones in there.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright, this still looks pretty clear, doesn't it? We can still see in the cup pretty well. Alright, you want to do the honors? Or
Yes,
should
sir.
we? Alright, there you go.
Okay, here we go. 3. I'm going to put this one closer to the camera.
Alright.
Right.
Just set it on a worm. They won't care.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, I don't know if it's showing up on camera. It doesn't look like it's showing up on camera, but it is really shiny. It gives it like a metallic look to it.
Yeah, it has like little pieces of glitter. That's a great way to explain.
Yeah, it's all glittery.
I'm pretty sure we could just add glitter and done the same thing.
I'm pretty sure too. Matter of fact, I don't really know what all this is. It
Zero,
says it calls it a
zero,
pearl
zero.
solution. I don't really know what the pearl solution is for.
Squished up pearls, maybe?
Let's give it another squirt. Let's try it. A little good, lots better, right? All right, here we go. Oh, now I'm seeing a big difference on that one. I
Same.
put some more in.
Okay, guys, I was just pointing at it and look, that just shot right on my eye. Yeah, this is why you wear
Oh, there
glasses.
you go. It did shoot.
That's why you wear glasses. Because I was just squishing this in my hand and just shot.
All right, now it's said in the instructions that we should be able to attach worms together. Oh, look at that. It's like going fishing.
Yeah, go fishing, gold fishing.
We can just keep attaching these chains as long as it's in the activator solution.
There you go, attach that.
And it said if these things start to dry out,
Dip.
then you get to notice the process of dehydration. It didn't really say there's any way to fix them if they dehydrate. But let's see, those that really haven't dehydrated, they've just been sitting out for about, what, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
They are not sticking though.
Really? Here, let me show you something. So now let's say, now I have that gold, have that ball right there. Like that.
Uh-huh.
You notice how, dang it, that failed. I was trying to get it on,
Oh, trying to squirt it on there?
yeah. Here, squirt some on. This is like a Ruth Goldberg shop.
I'm just going to drop that worm back in its home there. All right, you want to squirt a little bit on there and let it hit the activator solution.
Yep, put it.
It does not want to stick though, guys. Look at that.
Here we go. Yeah, that attached.
Okay, it formed its own worm.
Oh yeah.
So it looks like what's happening is the process of cross-linking the molecules has to happen pretty fast.
Yeah.
All right. Once the molecules have kind of settled in there, once the polymer chain is formed, then it seems like it's pretty much set. However, if it never leaves the activator solution, I'm able to attach different ones together during that. That's interesting.
I want to try something. I know this was really cool. Oops. A little too much, but that's what I was trying to do. I was like,
Oh wow, look at that.
You can make one jump.
Well, how about a durability test on that? What if we pull it apart? Because I bet the inside of that still hasn't been exposed to activator.
Yeah. Watch this. Ready? Look,
It's like a ball. It's like a balloon or something.
You can pop it right there.
Will it pop?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. There's new goo.
Mm,
You made
you can-
new worms. wow, it hardened the shell right around it. And when we put that in there, it just instantly hardened that entire shell.
Yeah, and then once you pop it, you can lower it into the solution and connect the chains. Like this, ready?
Yeah.
See? I popped it, and now I just connected the chains.
All right, so let's try this. You can unlink the worms by dropping them into a cup of salt water, and watch the worms dissolve in salt water. Shall we try it?
Yeah, you want to go get some iodine salt?
Yeah, I'll go get some salt and we have another cup over here somewhere too. There's another cup.
Okay. It kind of squirted on my eye.
You what?
It kind of squirted on here.
Oh.
Just kidding. I just did this. Like.
Oh. It said one tablespoon. So it'd be about. Huh? Oh. Okay.
I just pushed it against the glass.
So that was 1.
That's good enough.
2, 3. All right. Well, we know we broke apart a salt in there. Hold on. We need to add some super secret solution here.
Okay, y'all already know if you read it. And you know what seems purified means. Let's try this one.
Okay. All right. So let's try that. Let's see if it really dissolves it.
Should we stir it? I'm stirring.
Cup of dissolve 1 tablespoon. I did that was 3 teaspoons right there. Should be 1 tablespoon. And it doesn't say how fast. It just says watch it dissolve. So let's throw some in there and let's see how it dissolves. There's some on the table right there. I'll just chunk those in. There's another little piece.
It's not happening thoroughly. I'm gonna grab this little.
All right, so we got to break these molecule chains apart.
It sounds easy. Hey, Dad, let me just show you how to break the molecule chains apart. Oh, that's cool. They are conjoined.
Oh, wow. That's really cool looking.
Let me show you how to break them apart. Just like that. Like a boss.
All right, let's see. They are.
They're dissolving.
They're getting weaker. I can feel them. Kind of start to stretch now. But I wouldn't say they've dissolved yet.
It's almost like slime now.
It may take quite a while to dissolve. Oh, no, there we go. It's starting to happen.
They're all conjoined.
You know what? If a little bit of salt is good, what about a lot of salt?
Yeah. Just dump the rest of that container in.
I couldn't tell how much I put in, but...
Just put in a lot.
I put in a lot? I couldn't see.
Take a look at that now. Oh, wow. I feel a lot of salt on the bottom. Dad, look. I'm going to just put it in some water with salt.
Hey, okay, so if Gary is a snail, right?
There we go. Take a look at that, guys.
So if Gary's a snail, what is the ocean water salty?
Yeah.
So how could he live in salt water?
He's an ocean snail. He's an ocean snail.
But how could he live in salt water? Wouldn't salt dissolve him?
No, he's salt water.
I don't know if there's anything such as saltwater snails, is there? All right, why don't you guys look up and tell me?
Don't overthink it. Saw it on a video.
I don't know. You never try to overthink SpongeBob.
Yeah. Fire underwater? Drinking... So, wait, would they be drinking air out of a bottle instead?
Well, I'm seeing this is... It looks like it's kind of sort of dissolving. I would say probably if I left this to sit for a while, it would probably eventually all just break down to nothing. I can tell probably about, what, maybe a third of it's broken down? Some of the smaller strands are broken down?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see it starting to all conjoin?
Yeah, it's definitely breaking down. And it doesn't give me a real thorough explanation of why it's dissolving. But
stuff.
But science. That's why.
It's scientific.
It's scientific. Well, guys, let us know what you think of this. We're going to go ahead and wrap this up right here. Again, this is from Steve Spangler Science. It's something you can order online. And,
not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe.
Maybe soon.
Maybe soon. but it's the Clear Insta Go Worm Goo. We are not selling it. We have no affiliation with them. It's just simply a product review of what we ordered. So,
and we think it's really good.
We really like it. We really think it's great.
By the way, we are seriously not sponsored.
Yeah. So
I'm too small.
We're going to do more videos like this. All different kinds of stuff.
Keep a lookout for them.
So
Well, you haven't came up with like a good scheduled release date.
Not scheduled release date yet. Right now, I'm looking at our
Mondays,
shelf.
Wednesdays, and Fridays.
I'm looking. I don't know yet. I'm looking at a shelf on some of the stuff we've got. We've got some stuff we've ordered. We've also got a bunch of household experiments that we want to do. They're just out of really common household stuff that some of you guys may have done.
And you can do if you haven't done yet.
And you can do that. That's super safe to do.
Something just like this, like the proto putty.
The proto putty, yes.
If you have the stuff, it's fun. Difficult but fun. Messy too.
We tried to make a video doing proto putty. It didn't.
It kind of collapsed.
It didn't go quite as expected on the first go round. But that's why you learn. Yep. That's how we learn. And now we know what we did wrong, and we're going to go to the store and buy some more cornstarch, and we're going to try it again.
And some more polymer. Or not polymer.
Anyway, guys, we're going to wrap it up here. Help us think of a really cool name for our science show. Right now, we just kind of thought of Dallin Z Science Show, but we're not married to that name. We're not stuck with it. We're just...
Yeah,
we're
it's
just
a temporary name for the channel right now.
We're trying to come up with
Just so
something.
we can get some videos out.
So anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.